Okay, this is my fridge. Got some country crock. My husband's strawberries and cream. I guess we're having spaghetti tomorrow. Got some Italian sausage. Yeah, some beer. It's only 2.4 carbs, and I don't drink it very often, maybe once every other month. My Diet Coke, yeah, I know that's bad, but everyone else drinks it too. My husband's soda. Cheese. Oops, did you see the cheese? Some ham. And I got some oven roasted turkey for myself, because it's got no carbs. That's my dog barking. On the side here, that's my brother's shelf down there. Got some mayonnaise here. Kraft mayonnaise for my sandwiches. My sugar-free Rockstar. Let's get that out of the way so I can get to the... Got some real lemon juice. Sorry, my fridge isn't organized or clean. Got some ranch dressing. I get the regular fat loaded stuff because I can have that with low carb. This is all my husband's stuff. I had some ranch dressing from the store brand, sure fine, but it has high fructose corn syrup in it. Yuck. And this is all my husband's stuff except for my reduced sugar ketchup. I found some of that. It's only got 1 gram of carbs per serving. And the hemp seed oil. Or hemp oil. I take 1 teaspoon of that a day. Oh no, it won't fit back in there. Oh, I'll go down there with my other stuff. And my brother's shelf again. And some salad dressings and stuff. And water. I'm running low on it. Cold water. My freezer. This is how not to do Atkins. Some more Italian sausage. No name steaks, T-cut. Hot dogs. Different kinds of Birchwood gourmet burgers. The Vidalia onion, bacon and cheddar. Vegetables, broccoli, and 3 cheese sauce. Some ham steaks. One of my favorites for a snack. A sugar-free Flavor Ice Light. My husband's gonna be mad I'm doing this. Tilapia fillets. Move on to something else. Here's all my drink mixes. Crystal Light, Hunger Satisfaction, Classic Orange, Sunrise. I don't like the tea very well. This is iced tea. Diet Snapple. Fruit Punch. If you can see that. And my favorite is a store brand. Sure fine on the move lemonade. Let's see. What else we got on top here? My Healthy Life. High fiber, 6 net carbs, 99% fat free, white bread, 35 calories per slice. The kitchen's a mess. All our Prego, yeah, high in carbs. Husband's toaster, Pop-Tarts. Supplements I don't take anymore, that I should. My coconut oil. More Pop-Tarts. Where I can't reach is a Dreamfield spaghetti pasta, which is upside down. That's pretty much what's in our kitchen to eat. Okay, there you go. Bye.